Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome back to today's video. Today I will be testing out the Huda Beauty products that were in the mystery bag. I ordered the large mystery bundle, and if you haven't seen that, you can watch that video first. I will link it down below and I will also let it appear somewhere in the screen, probably above here. That was lipstick. Sorry, my hands are all dirty for the makeup edit. And I will show you how I created this makeup look. So if you're curious to see what I use, then keep on watching. We are going to start with the primer. That was the first item from the mystery bag. And this is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I already said in the previous video that it kind of reminds me of a baby scent. When you shake it, it actually sounds quite liquidy, but when you get it out, if you can see, it looks quite thick and it kind of also stays there. But once you blend it out, it feels quite liquidy. We're going to use this as primer that will keep my makeup matte as long as possible, I hope. It smells really nice. It smells like a baby product or like a sunscreen product. I'm not sure if my face looks more matte at the moment than it did before the primer, but we will see. So I will be putting on my foundation and cheek products so we can continue with the eyeshadow. So I will be right back. I just finished up the rest of my face. I applied foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlights, all that stuff. So now we're going to continue with the eyeshadow. In the mystery bag, I got 3 palettes, 2 of the Obsessions palettes and also the Desert Dusk palette. I've used this palette in another video of mine, so I'm not going to be using this. I will link that video down below and also up in the screen. Since the lip colors are a bit more mauvey and purple, I will go for the Ruby Obsessions palette. Also because this palette calls out my name more than the Emerald Obsessions. This is how the palette looks like. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but they are more like pinky, reddish, purpley shades in here. But before we're going to start with the eyeshadow, I will be applying some eyeshadow primer. Just a tiny bit, and we're going to apply it across the entire eyelids. So that is the eyeshadow base. I'm not sure which colors I will be using, but I will be going into this very pale pink shade. I'm just going to use a flat, fluffier eyeshadow brush. I will just mainly use it as a brow bone highlight. Well, that has laid down. I'm going to grab a crease brush, just this one by Zoeva, and I'm going to start by using this hot pink shade. I'm going to try to make a halo eye. Not sure if that is going to work because I never really do halo eyes, but we are going to see how it works. I probably should have used a smaller eyeshadow brush for this. Now I'm going to dip into this more corally shade with the same brush. I'm going to blend the edges out. And now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush and I will dip it into this more burgundy, purpley shade. I'm going to focus this more on the outer corner. And blend everything. And repeat the same step again. The color kind of fades away once you blend the colors out. And we're going to repeat the same step on the other eye. Or just tap the eyeshadow on. I'm dapping into this middle shade. Yeah, I'm going to use my finger for that. Like this. And I'm just going back into the first shade I went in, into this light pink. And now I will be lining my under eye. I'm going in with this purple shade. I'm going to look if I can brush the excess away because there was a bit of fallout down this eye. So hopefully we can brush that away. So now I will be applying some mascara before we move on to the lips. Lips. I have two of the Demi matte liquid cream, lip cream. I don't know exactly what it's called. The Demi matte cream lipstick. I think I'm going for Sheikha. This is the color Catwalk Killer. This is a dark color. And we also have Sheikha. Sheikha. I guess it's Sheikha. This is a bit more lighter. So I'm going for Sheikha. I'm going in for a second dip. This is the color Sheikha. So this completes the entire makeup look. I really like the eyeshadow. I also like the lipstick, but I'm not sure how much I would wear these, especially for Catwalk Killer, since I'm probably more in fall and winter that I will wear that color. I really liked primer. I like primers that keep my makeup matte since I have oily skin. Let me know if you have tried a Huda Beauty Obsessions palette and what your favorite Huda Beauty product is. I really like to try out her Nude Obsessions palette and in the shade Light, and I also like to try out her pastel or one of her neon palettes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, you can give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can subscribe to my channel if you want. I upload a beauty video every week, and I hopefully see you next week. Bye!